Nestled amidst the lush expanse of the Chuburna Mangrove, Casa Manglar is a testament to harmonious living in nature. As visitors approach the residence, they are greeted by a serene ambience where the architecture seamlessly blends with the surrounding environment. The two-part structure, comprising the main block and a villa, is framed by the vibrant green canopy of the mangrove, creating a picturesque setting. The expansive terrace offers breathtaking vistas of the mangrove, where the intense greens of the foliage merge with the azure hues of the sky and sea. Upon entering, guests are welcomed by a sense of tranquility. The villa, featuring a living room, kitchenette, bedroom and bathroom, offers a private and cozy retreat. Beyond the villa, a lush garden leads to the pool and terrace, providing an idyllic outdoor space for relaxation. The main block showcases a spacious living room and kitchen that share an open-plan design, fostering a sense of connection with the natural surroundings. The service areas, including the bathroom, pantry, and laundry patio, are located at the rear, separated by the staircase block where the study and master bedroom are situated. The upper floor boasts a terrace that offers panoramic views of the mangrove, accessible through the secondary bedroom. Casa Manglar is more than just a residence. It's a harmonious blend of modern architecture and natural beauty. The project's thoughtful design not only captures the stunning landscapes of the Yucatecan coast, but also promotes sustainable living practices. By integrating the house with the surrounding mangrove, Casa Manglar creates a unique and immersive experience for its inhabitants. It's a testament to the possibility of coexisting with nature while enjoying the comforts of modern living.